box, and this is the hair straight out of the package. This is a body wave honey blonde hair with highlights. It is in 24 inches, 180% density with a 13x4 lace frontal. So I'm just doing a quick shed test to show you guys if I got any shedding. I didn't. I was a little bit nervous with blonde highlighted hair. They tend to get trashy real easy after you wash them, but out of the package it looks silky. It doesn't look dry. It looks like moisturized, and this is how the frontal is looking. It still has some dark knots that I will like customize, and I'm going to pluck it just a little bit more, but nothing crazy. So I'm just running my fingers through just to see how great the quality is and if it's movable, because we ain't want no stiff wig nowhere. Okay, we don't want that here. So yeah, so far straight out of the package the quality looks nice. I'm a little bit iffy about the ends of the hair, but this is how the hair is looking after I have bleached the knots some, and I did wash the wig, so hence why the curls aren't there right now or ununiformed and all of that, because I washed it. And yeah, so I'm just doing my typical method of installing my wig. I go with Got to Be freezing spray as opposed to Ghost Bond glue, because I like my edges and I want to keep my edges, and I've seen too many videos with people losing their edges because of that extra whole glue, and I ain't about that life. So my Got to Be freezing spray works just fine. And with my wig application process, sometimes I have good days, sometimes I have bad days, just like anybody else. Like installing wig or doing anything in life, it's makeup or whatever, some days it looks like exceptional, some days it's like, oh girl. This was one of my in-between days. Like it was mostly like trusting the process type of thing. So I'm just showing you guys what I typically do. So I do this in stages, so you're gonna see certain parts lifted because I haven't sprayed down those parts. So I realize that I do my wigs better, I melt them better when I do them in stages or in sections. So I do one side first and do it completely before I move on to like the middle or the other side. So that's basically what I'm doing, taking off the excess lace and also just making sure that I get that side behind the ear, like to cut off the extra lace and then just to pack it down. So I'm just gonna leave you guys to see how I finish doing that. Then I spray some more Got to Be freezing spray and then blow dry the hair. Now to get the curls back in some form of unification, I'm going to be using my one iron. I got this one iron from Amazon. It's like different types of wands. So I'm just doing some loose curls, like nothing crazy, because with this humidity in Toronto, these curls would drop. So I didn't go for like a super tight hold. I just wanted the hair to get back some of the curls that it had in the beginning. So I'll be doing some loose body wave wand curls, and I do that for the entire hair, and then I create like a side parting. The hair came with a natural front, like a middle part, but I wanted a side part. So if the top looks a little bit high, that's because I got a P shape size head, so like I got a little hump in the back, you know what I'm saying? So never mind that, that's just my personal problem. And then I had to like create that side part as best as I could, since the hair came in like a middle part. And this is how the hair is looking, body waved and all, girl, like super high.